ask why are we in our uniform? It's summer. Cause
Init na, no?
we're going to a recognition. Yeah. I'm turning grade 4, and she's turning grade 6. Yours. So, me with honors.
I with honors.
honors. So. It fell down. Wow. We're going to school. Ask what is in this bag. Guess what? Ties. So I can shoot my classmate with.
Why?
I will shoot and I'll show Mira that this is what she gave me. Remember?
Shout out to
Mira.
Mira Gowrie.
Mira Gary. It smells like her.
Nabili ito ni Mayra?
Oh, it smells
Mira
so
Gowrie.
good.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Her name is Mira.
Oh, regalado, no?
Oh yeah, regalado.
Her name is Mira Gary Regalado.
Ang Gauri, kasama sa name niya yun.
Mm-hmm.
Sa first name niya, kadugtong.
Yeah.
Ha?
I just call her Mira Gowrie.
You call her Mira Gary Regalado.
Yun
Her
yun.
name. That's her name.
Senor.
So,
Senor Pita.
we're going to school. Let's go to school. We're in the car. Driving away.
We're not showing the address.
Not sure, Dad. But we're going to show you our school. Yes. Slow. We're going to turn grade 4, grade 6.
For those who will be asking, why is Amira the only one being shown in the video for too long? Well, it's because she will be the one videoing, not me.
She's
This
This is my phone. This is her phone.
Yeah.
Her phone,
where
my phone.
yeah. So basically, she'll be filming on her phone. So basically,
But you should also film on your phone.
I don't know how to film on my phone
You
and
can.
connect it. Does anybody know how to do that?
Girl, just video in your phone, and then when we go home, you send me all those videos so I can connect them in my CapCut.
That's nice.
Daddy, we're here. We're almost here. Actually, we just have to go straight again. Straight. We're in the car. I'm not, you're not allowed to look at Daddy. Daddy Pig. Look. That's right here. Stop showing guys. So, she's also gonna video on her phone.
I mean, I'll try.
If you don't, it's okay. But when you sit on our seat, you are allowed to video like this. You press your phone, you go here. on your
I know how to
pictures,
video.
And then you press video, and then you play it, and then you talk to your classmates, and then I'll talk to my classmates.
How is your
We're here! We live in JCA. Yay!
But
Look,
why did you say our school?
I said we're gonna say our school. Look, I think that's my.
Why did you say our name?
Right?
The name of our school?
Oh,
Why did you say the
oui, oui. Oui, oui. Oui, oui.
I will wee you.
Si.
Huh?
Oui, oui. Oui, oui. Oui, oui. We're going to the dome. Huh. Smile. Well, too bad. We're going to have a new house. So we won't be in the school for long.
But if we get to our new house, we're gonna show you a house
House
tour.
tour. But not the address. That's
Oh,
scary.
that's weird. You said the address to our church school.
Our school, we're a school that we're gonna go away from. So,
I mean, you basically didn't tell the address. You said the name of our school.
oh look, it's Ivan!
Mm-hmm. Ah,
Shout.
ika na naman, ano?
Haha, OA. OA. O-A.
O-A?
Inglesera yan.
Of course.
English much? Too much English. Includes too much.
So when we get in the dome,
Too much OA, bro.
cute little island, nice and non-violent. Right here, mind the parking.
You see an echo, 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 echo.
See those cars?
All you have to do
Ha?
is to you.
Ay, bubuntot ko dyan.
Just like an echo,
Echo, echo, echo.
and hear an echo loud and clear.
Ganito na?
There's a lot of people.
Kaya, ganito na lang. Para diretso labas mamaya.
So what are we gonna do? We're just gonna be stuck here.
So
Ganito na.
we're here. We're gonna park now.
It's one of Clint's old
Baba na kayo, dyan na kayo
classmates.
bumaba na ko.
Really?
Oh, dito.
Yeah, we're going out now. So we're not actually allowed to video when we're gonna sit. So I'll just show you my seat now.
We're not really allowed to film while
We're not allowed to film.
we're having, program. So basically,
Gonna
give you this little.
We left the door open. We left the door open.
Yeah, you can't just the phone.
So, it went. It went.
Ano yung una?
Hawakan mo nga to, hawakan mo ito.
A recognition stone. Recognition. Guys, recognition is done. 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 Yes. We're done. Hi, Kelsey. Hi, Kelsey. Hi, Kelsey. Guys, recognition is done. We're going back to the car.
Yes, preppies.
Bro, Unit. We're going to Army Navies. We're going to Army Navies.
Rayo pag pa 1, 2.
Yay, guys. We're going to Army Navy. You can go video now.
So yeah, we're going to Army Navy. But first, we're gonna have to wait because we parked in a lane filled with cars, and now we have to wait till every car moves. You know? So it's gonna take long. You have to wait.
Hi, puppies. We're literally just here in the car. We've been waiting for 1 minute. We just got in. None of the cars moved yet. Oh, yay! It moved now. Yay! Oh, the window was open. Okay, so when we go to a cold place, we're going to. Guys, we're here at Army Navy. It was backwards. We're here at Army Navy now. So,
Pumili ka ng gusto mo. Yan yung gusto mo eh.
Bowman, bro.
Pili ka na. Ayan, oh.
We ordered food. We ordered this.
Dalawang fries.
And this. Then we also got. We ordered food. Let's play some. Let's play some two-player games. I'm not gonna talk for a while. I'm gonna play two-player games with my mom. I mean, with my daddy. this one.
Nauna ko.
No.
Ibang game naman.
Different game next. The food is here. Your food can. Picture.
1, 2.
Yeah, done. Picture the outfit. Yeah.
Sabay.
No.
It's the light na.
Another picture.
Sabay. Una. Support lane. Iced tea. Advance ko ng pagkain yung pilot ko para sa mga
Where food reviews?
Hindi, para sa
Food reviews.
Hindi, hiningi ko kay Liam. Kay Ervin. Gusto mo yung kunin niya?
Okay, so it's our burger.
Sabi ni
Why is our burger?
Alam ko, ang bumibigay ko alam mo sa sabi na, baka
Just take it off.
kailangan gawin natin para ibigay na natin. Ito ba yung battery? Kukuha na mga yung pilot.
Such a
Ang nakalagay ko
burger.
kayo, American
Oh, I saw
kaya kailangan pa hindi magiging basta hindi amin yun.
Googler.
Penge.
Googler. 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 Hi guys, so we're gonna eat now.
This is my treat. This is mommy's treat. Because and 8 cats will be next.
It cuts will be next. Next year, tomorrow.
No 8 cats. Just Army Navy. Fearless fried chicken. This is the winter melon.
That's mine.
Oh, okay. I know it's yours. Oh. Did you pray? Oh, you did. Did you pray? Walang pray.
When I pray,
No, you
my
pray.
eyes are to the Bible. Lord God, give me first good Amen. Try some quesadilla. What's this?
Like you did it. Try it on this.
Okay na, mami.
It's not as that you thought that was not like top.
Thank you. Tomato. Ganito din yung nasa ano? Ganito din yan. Tama ba yun?
It's not
This one? It's that one?
like
No, good shot.
John,
No?
this is Cecilia.
That one's nacho. Ayaw mo na lettuce? Sa kabilang section, ang dami. Madami yung picture niyo. No? Kabila. Ilan sa inyo? Ilan mo dun sa picture? Give me the lettuce.
That's my tomatoes and my onions. Gotta eat this.
Wow.
Why is the lettuce in there? Okay. Lettuce is healthy.
Oo nga. Wow. Ano ba? Bilis naman ni ate.
Wow.
Balik mo. Hindi, kanina pa yan. Hindi ko alam.
Sorry for the people who hate ketchup like I make a lot.
Dami mo sa kamay mo.
May bathroom ba sila dito?
Bathroom.
Nag-bathroom ba sila? Bakit?
Give me the tomatoes.
Bakit?
Zach, give me the tomatoes. Akin na tong tomato mo.
May onion too.
And your onion. Onion. Onion.
May onion.
And your onion. Nagbabalag siya.
Including ate.
This is your onion.
My onion. Come on. Let's go eat ate. Gotta eat. Apples and banana.
Kailangan pa kasi siguro si Sir Dan, no?
Where's Mama's food?
Ha? Yun lang? Ang
Daddy
pangunahan. Yun nga sinasabi ko sa'yo. American support.
Their fries are spicy. For me. The window there.
Pero mataas ang
There's another chair here. We're in a second.
mataas ang living. Baka kasi yun.
I
Babawas
drank so
yung
much
kuryente natin.
boba.
So, pala yung kuryente sa ano eh.
Winter melon flavor.
Mine's classic. Can I
Magkano
have
sa
some?
ano? Pastor.
Can I have some juice, please?
Mataas ang level. Ano pupunta naman yung sa ano?
I don't know what they ate or something spicy. Is this iced tea?
Yung nga.
Dahil malaki. Nangalan mo na nagbibigyan ako.
Oo, yun nga yung sabi ko. Anong nag-roll sa kanila?
I'm just eating like a normal.
Hindi makawala yung respeto natin kay Pastor Boy.
This is what.
Bakit ganun bang ginawa sa kanila nung pinalitan niya sa
What
Pastor
happened to
Boy?
my
Diba?
burger? What happened to my burger?
Lumaki lang sila. Eh, pwede eh, di ba? At sa kanila naman lahat ng ano yun. Yung gulay niya, kaya ka. Halos sa'yo. Sarap. Ayaw ka na. Akin na yung lettuce ko lang.
Ano ko na?
Ayan na. Hindi mo naman nahawakan sa tayo. Ganun mo, ganun mo. Oh, hindi naman eh. Akin na.
We're gonna continue eating.
Eh,
We're here.
Pastor, kung wala, hindi ako na lang.
Sabi niya,
So much biggie.
kasi parang
This is such a big burger. I'm not gonna eat
May
all.
something sa kanya. Buo siya siya lang. Promise, buo siya.
Don't eat this.
Yun yung naamoy ko. Yun na nga lang yung sasabi niya, hindi kung sino-sino tao, sabi niya. Sinabi niya yung kay Pastor.
bakit? Ayaw kayo.
Liam.
So,
Di ba rin kakausapin ko si Liam na i-consolidate niya lahat ng list ng missionary natin. Then kung mag-return niya yung mga letters kung sino yung nag-send pa ng report sa atin at saka hindi na. Mas-check na kung sino active sa inactive siya. What do you mean inactive and active?
it's a
Kasi
juicy burger patty.
ABC should have the list. Sabi niya. ABC should have the list. You can go directly to ABC hindi yung sinusong tao doon.
Mimi.
Ano sa tingin mo yung tono ng ganun?
Mimi.
Ano sabi niya lang?
Oo, wala. Ay,
Sige, sabi niya. Ano sabi niya?
pwede, sabi ni Pastor. Nagsalita na din ako kung sino magpipinpoint Pastor. Kung nataka sa ABC, sino magpipinpoint kung sino ang idol. Sabi din.
Hindi naman naman yan.
Hindi, kumano lang siya ng konti sa... kabilang niya yung bituan niya. Inano niya ng konti, tapos in-open niya. Alam mo naman ako, observant ako. Ba't ganun yung magiging acto mo? Di ba? Observant ako. Sabi ko sa kanya. Ba't mo bubuksan ng ganun? Alam mo nag-meeting pa rin yung mga officer sa loob. Ano yun, para yung marinig yung theory. Kinakabanyan sila. Kung mag-meeting ulit sa Sunday, babasahin ko na talaga yung bylaw. Kasi kung sasabihin niya, nagsusupersede naman yung ano eh, yung bylaw sa Bible. Ay, yung Bible, sabi niya, kung ano yung currently we are doing, supersede the Bible. So it's not necessary, sabi niya, na ano yung Bible. Kasi we have existing ano, sabi niya. Pero bakit nila pinapasok? Bakit nila pinapasok ng pag-group? At bakit invite sila ng invite? Alam mo ang next na tanong ko, pagka yung panglahat ng favorite student, wala sa gusto. Hindi, yun yung next na ano ko. Gusto kong maging ano kay pastor na para may maisip niya na nag-iisip niya siguro to. Hindi yung ano, di ba? Nag-iisip ako na. That's ano yun.
Ito yung ilalagay
Sa old fashion baptism, ang pulpit, hindi ko consider na ano, na sacred. Kaya nga sabi ko noon, nung pinagpapray ako, hindi ko tumama. Okay pa kay pastor. Kasi hindi ako nangyari. Nung nagpapray ako, hindi ako nangyari. Rig-rig yung ano, hindi naman ako nag-pray nung nandiyan pastor ko. Pero nung namatay na sa naging open na yung sa ha? Sa aming mga pastor, hindi basta-basta. Ang kung dati nung panahon ng Pastor Boy, naalala mo, ang special number nun, wala sa pulpit. Nandito sa gilid ng pulpit, di ba? Naalala mo nakatayo yung nag-special number sa gilid lang. Nagbago yun eh. Nakatayo na sila dun sa pulpit. Nagbago yun. Lahat ng special number nun sa music. Kasi alam ni Pastor Boy yun.
So,
Nung namatay na sa ano,
continue when we're in the
hindi ako
parking.
nagtitiwala ng gusto ni Pastor.
We're done eating.
You have to help me get out of here.
We're done eating.
Just lift me out the window. I can do the rest.
We're back in the car now. I still have my burger. It is not enough. So bye bye.